Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I know it's been a while since we've gotten a video on here, so today I'm stopping by to show you this new product I found on Amazon. This is my first time trying it. It says it's a black hair dye shampoo, and as I said, I got it from Amazon from the brand Kingming. I'm gonna leave the link to this product in the description below in case you're interested. And this is my first time. I'm going to be using it together and see if it works or not. Later in the video, you're going to see I have my hair dyed in like a blonde gold color, so I'm going to try to change that back into black. So let's see if this product is going to help. It says it's a 3-in-1 product, and you're supposed to use it on a dry hair and leave it for 15 to 20 minutes. So for me, I left it for about 15 minutes and I saw a result. But I'm gonna walk you through the video and we're gonna see if this is a good product or not. I hope you enjoyed this video. I'll catch you later. Right now, and as you can see, I'm applying the product to my dry hair. I actually use a little bit more product as was required just because I have thick hair. So no matter how thick your hair is, it will determine how more of shampoo you will need. So right now, as you see, I'm just applying it using gloves and having the protective cover. This shampoo actually stains just like a regular dye, so make sure you're using a surface that is easy to clean. So this is like a couple of minutes after finishing to apply the product, and I just waited 15 more minutes, and this is how it looks like. As you can see, the color is already getting out and I'm getting the hair all black. It's really easy to use this because you don't have to mix anything. It's literally a shampoo, like you just apply on your hair, leave it for the number of minutes required, and then just wash it off. So right now I got my hair washed off, and this is how it looks like. It's really soft after the wash, and it was easy to get off the hair and the little stains here and there. I just washed it off. Some of it came off, some of it didn't, but it will go off with time. As you can see on my right hand, I got a little bit of the dye on there, but that's fine. As you can see, it was so easy. The hair turned out really nice everywhere, and all the color is gone, and I really love that. My hair is clean and soft, so I just went ahead and air dried it and styled it for the night. I hope you enjoyed the video, and let me know if you tried this in the comment section. See you next time. Bye bye.